The history of education can be traced back to ancient civilization such as Egypt, Greece, and Rome, where education was considered as privilege reserved for the elites. In these societies, education was focused on teaching language, philosophy, and history, as well as the arts and the physical education. However, it wasn't until the Renaissance in Europe that the education began to be considered rightful for all individuals. During the 19th century, public education began to take shape in Europe and North America with the establishment of compulsory schooling laws to make sure that people are a bit aware of things, maybe basic knowledge, which was kind of rare back then. Or maybe get a job as assistant to the regional manager in a local copper mine, I don't know. This meant that the children were required by the law to attend school for a certain number of years. The aim of these laws were to increase literacy rate and provide children with basic skills needed to function in the society. And not to be dumb and teach basic skills needed to function in the society. I still don't know how credit card works. Pretty good so far, eh? In the early 20th century, the progressive education movement emerged in the United States. This movement emphasized the importance of children-centered approach to education, focusing on the individual needs and interests of each student. The progressive movement also emphasized the importance of hands-on learning and experimental education rather than rote memorization. Well, that thing didn't last long, did it? Despite these positive developments in history of education, our current modern-day education system is often criticized for being outdated and ineffective. One of the main criticisms is that our system is way too focused on standardized testing and not enough teaching on critical thinking skills. Many argue that standardized testing is a poor measurement of a student's ability and that it only measures a narrow range of skills. But hey, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, right? Another criticism of our education system is that it's not equitable. Students from disadvantaged backgrounds are often less access to resources and support, leading to a widening achievement gap. Additionally, the curriculum often lacks diversity and does not adequately represent the experience of all students. Furthermore, the education system is criticized for being too focused on conformity and obedience, rather than creativity and innovation. This can stifle the development of unique skills and talent in students, leading to homogenization of workforce. While the history of education has seen significant progress towards universal education, our current education system is often criticized for being outdated and ineffective. With ever-growing speed of modern technology and lifestyle, the education system seems to feel left behind, and keeping the student inside the boundaries set centuries ago. This isn't a matter that could be solved in a day or a month. Bringing changes to the system takes time and a lot of coordination. To address these criticisms, we need to focus on teaching critical thinking skills and fostering creativity and innovation. And for that, we need something revolutionary. Introducing Masteriyo. Masteriyo is a WordPress LMS plugin that can be used to create stunning online courses. Isn't that revolutionary? Instead of students going to a prison, instead of students going through painfully slow and outdated courses, now they can study vast topics and take interactive tests, giving out assignment all from the comfort of their home. Couple all those things with other fantastic features Masteriyo has to offer, you can't say we haven't revolutionized the education system. You're welcome. And yes, you sat through an elaborate ad. Have a great day.